Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or if it's a website. Either or, links will be down below in the description. All you gotta do is click the link, check them out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside this box. Thank you guys for sending me this for a review. Here we go. Oh boy. What is all this? Whoa. This is a strange day. Oh, okay. These are coming from my good friends over at Raycon. Everybody knows them. They've been on Jim Cornette, the Drive-Thru podcast. Great company right here, Raycon. Amazing everyday earbuds. Activate noise cancellation. IP66 water resistant. Awareness mode. Small build with oh so mighty sound. Petite. Produit. I don't even know how to say that rest. It's probably the same thing in different language. So I'm not even going to try to butcher it. Everyday earbuds. Okay. Super lightweight. Nice packaging. So definitely check these guys out. Like I said, I'll leave both websites, Amazon and Raycon's website, because they're really good people. Definitely check them out, guys. This is like an earbud day, I guess. But, you know, you can use these for everyday use, for your podcast. But these are great noise cancellation. You won't be able to hear the noise behind you. So if you take this on a train, plane, automobile, you can zone out and listen to your music, your favorite podcast. Power up, dude. Here we go. We got the manual. Ooh, now these are fancy, guys. Really well-known company in this market of earbuds and other headsets they have. So definitely check them out. See what sales they got going on for back-to-school days. Definitely happy. So we got... And almost forgot, these are wireless charging. So all I gotta do is put it on the charging base. Yeah, all you gotta do is set it down and charge it. That's what that means right there. But amazing stuff, guys. Check them out. Be safe. I'll do a separate video for another pair. I think that's what we agreed on. Ooh, these are fancy. The question is, how do I pop them out? Okay. Oops. Look at that. So I gotta do is pop them out, just push. I'm not gonna need that right now. Keep that off to the side. USB. So these should be easy to hook up to your Bluetooth, your tablet, your iPad, iPhone, smartphone, Android phone. Now here comes the main unit. Just remove this somehow. There we go, that was easy. Really nice. Ooh. Already flashing blue, ready to use. Left and right, see? It's ready to hook up. I'll get my tablet. There's USB, put it in. Super lightweight, guys. You could charge this on the go. Keep this in your locker for school. Great to answer phone calls with. Pretty much everything. I'll be right back. I gotta grab my tablet. Alright, guys, we got the tablet. Just gotta take these out of the case. This should be an easy connect. There we go. Pull these bad boys out. See? Now it's ready to go. Pair a new device. There you go. Raycon Everyday Earbuds. Let's take a look at these bad boys. Oh yeah. I'm going to pair in a second. Oh boy, I definitely got to charge these. They are low, but we got enough for the video use at least. I just got to find a YouTube app and give it a quick listen. Sorry about the dust. Okay, right it. Unclean. Oh, it is touch. And one touch. Paw and play. There's a pure balance. See, I can touch the volume. We got the bass sound. Guys, these sound amazing. A and C mode. Okay, I like that sound. So both left and right ones you could control. One touch. It's just hard to hear, but these sound amazing, guys. All you gotta do is click that link down below. Get them now before they sell out, because these are amazing quality earbuds. One touch, everything. So thank you guys over at Raycon for sending me this unit of earbuds. And all you gotta do, YouTubers, is check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.